moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga okunza ya diake moyo babo kwenda kwa kumuna vinye yenza lwaloso ikuza ya kwakwe moyo watu wa wana baye tokake siaza ya kwaku Dimbwe moyo ekware wa wana bamba mbwanzile mwatale dimbu wabebelyo mwana tata kordoni wa yiyombelwe wabebele oya wabebele moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware ya yekore manye umbanzanga.
Are you ready to party?
Bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yepiri mo mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange yono kwanda papande kembata kya mwelekwe. Mbane kakero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kunda tele yo imba bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kumbwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Yamwene kwe mama, yono kunga bukila chamwene kwe mbane piri mumayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Imba bange mama, yono kungwa de mbatayi bange mame ya yenga kero mayaya. Jono kungwa de mataimba bange Yalenga yenga kero mayaya Imba bange mama Jono kungwa de mataimba bange Mame ya yenga kero mayaya
Hello, welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Gizambote sitalonga ndinga eto, ndinga Kikongo, ndinga kintinu kya Kongo lya totila. Kintinu kifua kwandika sikisalila muna mtima myetu. Diavo gizambote talonga ndinga tsetu. Thank you very much, brother Alain Nengwa Terio. Welcome. I need to turn let me just share my this is me, don't worry, it's me again. I'm just going to share 1 minute here. Numbers again. Oh, before I share, anyway, I need to double check. Let me remove my Allen. Are you brave enough? From 1 to 10, please.
Sure.
Thank
Pabala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Danu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Voi, Kumi.
Well done. Wow. Thank you very much.
Mpabala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, ya, tanu, sambanu, sambwadia, nana, fua, kumi.
Hey, well done. Wow. That's good. That's easy. You know your number. That's it. That's good. Okay. Can you try 10? Is that Alan? 10, 20 to 9,
Okay.
90.
Yeah, kumi,
Mm.
makumole,
Mm-hmm.
makumatatu,
Mm-hmm.
makuya,
Makumaya. Mm-hmm.
makumaya,
Mm-hmm.
makumatanu,
Mm-hmm.
sambanu,
Mm-hmm.
lusambwadia,
Makuma Sam. Yeah, go, go. Well done. Sorry. Go.
lunana,
Mm-hmm.
luvwa, kama.
Kama. Wow. Well done. Thank you very much. Then what are you, please?
Kumi,
Kumi. Mm-hmm.
makumole,
Mm-hmm.
makumatatu, makumaya, makumatanu,
Mm-hmm.
makumasambanu,
Mm-hmm.
lusambwadia,
Mm-hmm.
lunana, luvwa, and
Kama. Way. Bravo. Well done. Wow. You done it. That's good. Wow. Can you tell any who is brave enough to try Kama hundreds?
Mm.
That Alan, can you try? It
Okay,
just
yeah, okay, okay,
I mean, you
okay,
just go from. I mean, I won't
yeah,
give you the answer anyway. You
okay,
know your units, then
yeah,
Kama keep repeating itself. Kama something.
kama mosi,
Kama,
no?
Kama is already Kama Mosi. Kama is 100, yeah. Mm.
Yeah, so is it
Then you go
kama
to the
mosi,
200.
no?
Kama
Kama,
is your Kama Mosi anyway. Kama is there. You're well done. Then you go to the 200.
kama zole. Okay, I
Well
see what you're
done,
saying.
yeah.
Kama zole,
Yes,
kama tatu,
yes.
kama ya,
Mm.
kama tanu,
Tanu, yes.
kama sambanu,
Sambanu, yes.
kama nsambwadia,
Yes.
kama nana,
Mm.
kama ya, and then
Kama voix.
kama voix, and then
Funda,
funda,
funda.
funda, funda,
Well
funda,
done.
funda di mosi.
Yeah, either way.
Yeah.
Either funda it was. Thank you very much. Wow. Then go to you, Kama, please.
Kama, kama zole,
Mm.
kama tatu,
Yes.
kama ya, kama
Mm.
tanu,
Mm.
kama sambanu,
Mm.
kama sambwadia,
Mm.
kama nana,
Mm.
kama wa, and
Funda.
fun.
Way. Well done. Well done. Thank you very much. See, you know your number. Let's see. I'm going to display thousands. Anyway, you're done. You're done. I mean, you're done. I'm very proud of you. You're done. You don't need to memorize every single number. From Funda, you can see my slide, yes, on screen.
Yes.
Funda, because the sun here I can't see very well. So Funda di Mosi o Funda. Funda. Let me just try to jump quickly. Mafunda Mole would be, what is Mafunda Mole?
One,
Is that 2000?
Yeah, Mafunda Mole, Mafunda Matatu. Yeah. Then the last one, this is 1 million, yeah? Kiazi kia Mafunda.
kama funda.
Kiazi kia Mafunda, million. If I go back, okay, you know your 1,000, 2,000, Mafunda Mole, Mafunda Matatu. Then here we have Funda Kamatanu Makumatanu. It is, you know your hundreds, see? You know your tens. Okay, from the beginning, from the basics. You know your units, you know your tens, you know your hundreds. Then, okay, thank you very much. Any questions on this one?
No, for this one, I don't have any questions.
It's fine. Go funda di mosi. Funda ye kamatanu. Ye makumatanu. You know your 100, you know the 1,000, you have your hundreds, your tens, then unit is there. That's a repetition. Thank you very much. Wow, well done. Let us go to the main lesson. Where is it? Okay, that's a revision. We go back to this. Try to show this one. Yeah, well done. How do I say 455?
Kama ya ye
Makumatani, yeah?
Makumatanu.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, done.
Yeah, done.
Yeah. 4. Did I say 4? Sorry.
No, 455.
Yeah, good. Okay, that's you understand the pattern. That's good. Let me just. Where is it? It's here. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. You know your numbers. That's good. Okay, let us move quickly. I think we read this last time. Besinga quiz. Sorry, Besinga kota. Kyantangwa Besinga kota. Here the grammar, the main thing here is third plural, be, be, as in any language. Maybe some other variants, they may say ba, same thing, be, ba, Besinga kota, Kyantangwa Besinga kota. Tata Alan, ready to read for us, please.
Besinga kota. Kiatangwa Besinga kota.
Well done. Very important here. We got the long vowel. We have something in common. I mean, as in language, variants, but in Kikongo, what we have in common is a long vowel. See? The tone. Kyantangwa. Not Kyantangwa. Kyanta, a bit, it is a long vowel. You don't shorten it. You push it a bit. Can you try it again, please?
Besinga kota. Kiatangwa Besinga kota.
Well done. Thank you. You have a long vowel here.
Besinga luaka.
Well done.
They are going to arrive. Kyantangwa Besinga luaka.
Well done. As soon as you respect the long vowel, you hit the proper tone, proper accent. Kikongo accent. Well done. Besinga quiza. Because this is very important long vowel. We have sala. Sala is in Kikongo is. We have two sala. Sala to stay. You remember when we say bye?
Sala
Gambote. We have that one is Sala Gambote. This one is long vowel. Then same word, work. If I say sala, tomasala, be careful with the way I pronounce it. If I don't, when I say tomasala, I don't mean tomasala instead as staying. Understand? Okay, thank you. Nengo tadiwa, please. Besinga quiza.
Besinga quiza. They are going to come. Kyantangwa besinga kwiza.
Well
When are they
done.
going to come?
Tata Alan, you got long vowel here. Besinga vunda.
Okay. Besinga vunda.
Well done.
Kiatangwa besinga vunda.
Well done. Besinga kwenda. Kyantangwa. Besinga kwenda. Then what are you, please?
Besinga kwenda. They are going to go. Kyantangwa besinga kwenda. When are they going to go?
Thank you. Let us not say next one. Besinga manta. Tata Alan, please.
Besinga manta. They're going to climb. Kiatangwa besinga manta.
Thank you very much. Just give me 1 minute. I need to show you something. Actually, it is a test. A bit. I'm going to test you now. It's easy. Don't worry. Then what I do, a very easy one. I've already given you the answer. I just want to go double check.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sala. I'm going to use two Sala. Let me just share my let me share my. We are almost at the end. Okay, so my file is here. You can see my file.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I don't want to give you a clue. Okay, Tata Alan, I'm going to read. I'm just going to help you. Anyway, I should not read. Otherwise, I'm going to give you a clue. Tata Alan, can you read the first sentence?
Sure. Toma Sala. Kiambote Ibosi. Ubaka Zimbu.
Well done. Okay. The second sentence, the second one begins.
The last one is Sala Kiambote.
Okay. Can you translate the first one here? The sentence,
okay.
please.
Toma Sala is that to I know. Okay, so Sala is to work. So Toma.
Wait. Okay, wait down. Okay, you've guessed it. That's good. That's good. Okay, here is it short or long?
It's short.
Short. This is work. Tomasala Kiambote Ibosuba Kanzimbu. I mean, do good work. Then you're going to be rewarded. You're going to receive money. Sala, see the Sala, same thing. When we write Sala, we don't use accent. Just write like this. But here it's Sala Kiambote. Stay well.
Well, because Kiambote is following that, so you know it's Sala.
Not necessarily.
No?
The prince.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I thought also.
Not necessarily, because if I says Tomasala Gambut, I mean stay well. Stay very well, let's quote unquote, see? Because Toma just you want underlining something, see? Accent, I mean emphasizing. Are you with me?
Yes. But how do you know though? How do you know?
That's my point. How do you know? You tell me. How do you know?
No, I was thinking because one word one ends in the verb that's in front of it, or at least
No, forget about the sentence. Good question. What idea? You can answer your question, no? How do you know? That's a key question. That's exactly my point.
I guess
The tone, the long vowel, yeah. Tomasala Kambote, Ibosi, Ubaganzimbu, Sala Kambote.
but if you're reading it when it's written, how do you know?
yeah, how do you know when
Versus
you're
speaking.
No, that's what I'm trying to say. You have to, the long vowel, you have to make sure the long vowel is there, respected. You know, you hit it correctly. You know, if I say, okay, forget about the second sentence. The first one, listen carefully. If I say, we can just stop here. Tomasala Kambote. How do you mean, Tata Ellen?
Okay. In this case, it's stay well.
Yes. When I say Tomasala Kambote.
Then work well.
Yeah, that's it. Got it. Are you okay? Nengotadio.
Yeah, I'm okay. So you
You
tell
did.
with the person's tone
Yeah,
of voice.
yeah. That is exactly the issue. That's the point. Make sure you take your time. You take your time. Make sure you know what you're saying. If I mean sala word, that's short vowel. Long vowel is sala Kambote. Sala. Mm.
But what if you're reading it in a newspaper? Someone writes Sala, but you don't know which Sala it is.
Now, if you're reading, I mean, if a native Kikongo native is reading, you
You
know,
know.
you will know if it's
Or you just
word
know.
or you know if it's
Okay.
stay or. I mean, the natives they do it. It's their own language. They don't know that they're doing it. You know.
Okay.
They don't know that when they are hitting short or long vowel because that comes naturally.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you when communicating, but in written, if
Oh, no, okay. I got your point. In written, you same way, no accent, same thing. In written, you just write the same way,
so, then
right?
if you're new to the language, how do you know if it's written what the context is? Is it work? Is it stay well? Like they don't know accent or anything like that to emphasize the
No. You will know. if,
Okay.
if you understand Kikongo, you will know. Mm.
Hmm.
Here, because I'm using, but you're right. It'll be tricky, but you will know. That's what we're learning, you know.
Okay.
But don't worry. You're getting there, bit by bit. We're getting there.
Okay.
Mm. Sala. This is a thing we have in common, as any language. There are different variants, you know. But on this one, no excuse. This is pure Kikongo. Okay. Thank you very much. We're done for today. Any question?
Where can I find the the lesson with the, I guess, the numbers in 1,000? Is
Sorry?
there So the lesson that we learned for counting in the thousands.
Okay.
Is that on the website? I think it's on. Is it on the website?
Don't worry, I'm going to send you the file. Don't worry, I'm sending you the file. PDF file. Have you got it, Tadiwa? Nengo Tadiwa.
I saw it in one of the videos.
No, the file. I've got the file. Do you want me to send you the file? I can send it to you.
Yes, you send me that.
Okay. No problem. Now I'm going to say bye. That's the catch now, the test.
Salakiambo.
Oh, well done, well done. Well done.
Well done,
you got it. Well done, you got it. Hence, you know, Kikongo is turn on language. Make sure you long vowel. You do it, you hit it properly. Long vowel.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Tutondele.
Nwenda kiambo, see? Long vowel. Nwenda kiambote. Sala kiambote. Nwenda kiambote. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Sala kiambote.
Nwenda kiambote.
Papi Salomon, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Charlie Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu.
Angola. Keita Kulama. Saint-Jean-Gogo, la Santiago.
Kinshasa.